Python, filter a list of objects, but return a specific attribute. Suppose I have a list of person objects, which have an age and room_number attribute, and I have written a check function, which returns true, if person.age and person.room_number are satisfactory, false otherwise. Filter check, list_of_people_objects, will return a list of person objects which satisfies the criteria of check. However, my question is there a way of returning a list of each approved person's room number without iterating through the list twice, like so without using list comprehension? So filtering, but returning a more specific attribute of the iterable. Map lambda x column x.room_number, filter check, list_of_people_objects.
There are in fact two ways. itertools. List comprehension. Which you choose is mostly a matter of taste, but convention leans towards the latter.
In the case of object filtering, where you want to do an inclusive union of a subset of properties to equal a limited set of values and then perform any option, including list the attribute values of the filtered list, you can do the following using generators in a single statement, last line of code. The rest is there for instruction showing generating a large list of objects using matrix multiplication to generate constructor params.
Output.
Isso vai te ensinar.